Leaders in Jamaica's agriculture sector are set to benefit from a number of initiatives being implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. While making his contribution to the 2022-2023 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, Portfolio Minister Pernell Charles Jr. said the ministry is committed to providing support to bolster food security by strengthening the country's agricultural output and improving sustainability and resilience within the sector. More from Gabriel Thompson.
The Agriculture and Fisheries Minister says the national strategy has been dubbed Grow Smart, Eat Smart. The supporting projects are to be implemented through partnership with the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, including a $38 million food loss and waste FLW reduction program that will focus on strengthening food value chain operations.
That will speak to a strategy for reducing food loss along the value chain, for supporting our farmers to reduce post-harvest loss, and extending produce shelf life to ensure enhanced farm and household cash inflows. Madam Speaker, when Usain Bolt wants to run faster, in his training, he doesn't just learn to be stronger. He learns to be more disciplined and strategic, because it's not all about going forward, it's about what's holding you back. And in this country, one of the greatest things holding us back in agriculture is our waste. And so, Madam Speaker, these projects are going to focus on ensuring that even if we don't produce not even one more crop than produced last year, we will have double the amount in results if we can use what we are now wasting.
Minister Charles says the ministry will also be collaborating with the FAO to undertake projects to improve phytosanitary, food safety, and market access opportunities along the hot pepper value chain.
With the funding of 152 million Jamaican, the improvement of rural livelihoods through resilient agri-food systems, another 152 million or 1 million US. The Rocky Point Fishing Beach Improvement Project to include landing equipment, a fish cleaning facility, storage facilities, mangrove protection, as well as trading for users. And this project is valued at 45 million Jamaican.
He says the ministry will also be providing more leases for idle agricultural lands.
We'll be advancing more linkages and partnerships. And you will be aware, Madam Speaker, that recently we handed over leases to youngsters and also handed over leases for critical areas in our Mango Agro Park to investors, all with a minimum of $20 million.